Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can create a business email on Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I am right now on Wix.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, you're going to find the option to create a new folder. And then here, right next to it, you're going to find the option to create a new site. So right now, here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find all of the sites that you created on Wix. For example, I'm going to go to this one, click on select and edit site. And then we're going to be in the site dashboard. Once you're here in the dashboard, if you go to the left, you're going to find all of these sections like setup, home, getting paid, and so on. So right now, in order to go to the business email section, go to customers and lead, and then here you're going to find contacts, forms and submissions, community, loyalty program, business email, and lastly, abandoned carts. Click on business emails, and then this will take you to this page right here. Build trust with a professional email address. Get an email address at your custom domain and get more done with Google's full suite of workspace tools. Choose from popular usernames like these examples right here. So right now, go ahead and click on connect domain. And after that, go ahead and type your domain right here. Enter the web address you want for your site. It can be a domain you want to buy or one you already own. So for example, I'm going to type a random domain right here. And then I'm going to click on let's go. And as you can see, guys, it's available, so we can get it. So I'm going to get this domain right here. And then as you can see, guys, right here, go ahead and click on continue. And then you're going to be taken right here. And then here you need to choose a plan that suits you. You can either choose business elite, business core, or light. And after that, just select the one you want. Continue to check out, and then you're going to be able to get your domain and also your business email. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video.